today's the day that we're going to the resort, and I'm packing my stuff, so that's fun. Packing sucks. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find a way to do a time lapse because I'm recording off my phone right now. Hooray. Alright, give me 1 second. Alright, so I finished packing. I put all my stuff in the living room, and yeah, I'm just waiting for them to be like, alright, we out, because it's 10:09 right now. Supposedly we gotta be at that place by 10:15, but I don't think that's gonna happen because we need to buy the tickets for the bus that's gonna take us over there. And I think the bus ride is at 11, so yeah, we're gonna have to hurry the heck up. And then it might be like a 3-hour ride over there, maybe more, maybe less. I don't know, because it's from like this point of the map, like over here to this point over here. Hopefully that comes out right the way I pointed out.
No, God!
And yeah, so I'll see you guys there. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can on the road so you guys can see what we're driving through. And yeah, that should be fun. So see you guys later. So we're finally on the bus. It's about 12:38 p.m. because we missed the 11 o'clock one, but we should be there around 3:30, possibly 4, depending on the traffic. But yeah, see you guys there. So we finally made it to the resort. Alright, so check out the bathroom. Man, I'm doing this the dumbest way ever. Whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna switch this to the front cam because it's gonna be a lot better to record. Alright, give me 1 second. Alright, so we're in the bathroom. We got a dope shower, you know what I mean? I keep saying that in these videos. Alright, we got a toilet, we got vanity sinks, and we got a tub. But the thing is like, this place is gonna be temporary just because they're doing construction on the other side. So as soon as we get things situated, tomorrow they'll figure out where we're really gonna be staying. This is gonna be a closet. We still gotta wait for our bed to come in. This is dope though. It's gonna look weird when I show you the bed because it's a king size bed, but not for 2 people.
No, they were gonna bring it
Check
back.
this out.
Check out
the bed. We got this living area. This joint looks popping. And then we got poolside view. We got this little patio for section. This is sick. It's not bad. They gave us a bag. Look, these scavengers are looking through my stuff. This is not for them. Ya comenzaron la... Mira, lo dieron vaso. They gave us cups and stuff for shots.
This is awesome.
That is not for them. This is not their room. But yeah, like I was saying, check this out. This is the bed. I gotta share a room with this guy. He gives me the cat, and the cat wasn't even meant for me. La tapita era para ellos.
Ven, dame la tapita, güey.
I don't know if you guys saw that, but alright. I'm gonna catch you guys later. One quick thing that I didn't show you guys was this part right here. The peeping window. Dope. You can see the tub and everything into the bathroom. Yeah, but I gotta be careful because, you know what I mean? There's another dude sleeping in my room. But yeah, it's pretty dope. It's pretty nifty.
Day 3.
Alright, so I've been a bad vlogger on this resort trip. I'm burnt. My face hurts. You see my nose is burnt. My shoulders are burnt. I'm gonna show you a quick clip of what I look like. Alright, check that out first. So yeah, I'm burnt. my nose, my shoulders, but wherever it's dark, it's not burnt. The struggle. Ouch. Okay, so yeah, that was pretty bad. I'm sorry for the angle too, because that was for Snapchat, so it's vertical. I wanted it horizontal. Whatever. All right, now I'm gonna send it to my future self. Okay, so it's the last day. It's really early in the morning. It's like 9:20. Checkout's at 11. So we gotta catch that bus back to the capital, and I still gotta pack and stuff. Check this out. All the clothing. Man, it was really fun here. Well, last time I'm wearing the robe that the hotel gives, and it is popping. It's awesome. I'm a lot darker than I was when I first got here because I've been at the beach. I'm sorry I didn't record any beach shots. Yeah. So, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Or, matter of fact, I'm gonna do a time lapse for the clothing before I bounce. All right. So after 4 long days at the resort, we're finally back at the apartment. I just took out all my stuff from my bag, and then I gotta organize. You see this? I gotta organize everything. I got really hungry, so I just set up my my cereal. I'm eating some good old Haps with some good old Rica milk. Yo, this milk is the truth. It's like, it's sweet. I don't know. It's just so different compared to like the milk in the States. And yeah, so I'm over here eating my cereal. And yeah, back from the resort. So, this is where it's at. Oh man, I'm so hungry though. I want like chicken or something. Cause I had mad seafood, mad fruits at the resort. I need something different. I need to verify my.
You so dumb, you look dumb with your dumb ass. With your dumb ass.
Verify. I need to get food variety in my life. Did I say that word right? It don't matter. But anyway, I need to eat something different. That's why I mean. Alright, now I'm ranting. I'll see you guys later.
3 weeks later.
Alright, so it's been a while since I picked up the vlog camera. It's currently, you guys are not gonna believe this. The last time I picked up the vlog camera was the 1st of August. It's currently the 16th of August. I extended my visit in Dominican Republic by like about 2 weeks, and yeah, so I'm still in DR, but I'm about to go home today. I have to be ready by 3 o'clock, so this is not the clothes I'll be leaving in. I'm actually gonna be leaving in something else, jeans, a better shirt than this, of course. And yeah, so I didn't pick up the vlog camera because I just want to spend time with my family, and I wasn't really doing much fun stuff. Like, I wasn't going to the beach, I wasn't going anywhere, so I was just in my hood, just relaxing, you know, kicking it with my uncle that I barely see. And yeah, that's what happens when you don't pick up the vlog camera for a while, and that's why I'm not a vlogger, because I suck at it. But yeah, I'm gonna be going home soon. My flight leaves around 5:30 in the morning. I should be arriving there around 9:30, 10, and then I'm gonna be going to my grandma's house that's in New York, and after that I'm gonna be going to my house, which is in PA, and then from there, that's gonna conclude my trip in DR. Man, it's been great here. It's been warm though, too hot sometimes. It was a fun vacation. I'm a lot darker, my hair's a lot longer. Not blonder, but yeah. I need to get a haircut. But I'll see you guys in PA or New York or whichever state I pick up the vlog camera in. But I might actually pick it up at the airport. I'm rambling. See you there at the airport.